Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So this video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss about the TCS layoffs. This is the discussion video part 1 and we will be discussing about what are the support that is provided by TCS, what is the severance package that is provided by TCS, and we are also having a look at why 10th October will be very important date for all the people out there. So if you're someone who's working in the IT industry, then please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. Okay, without wasting any more time, let us move forward. But I have a small request, that is, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've already not done that, and please like this video. Okay, the first important thing is about the 80,000 employee layoffs. Okay, now as you all know that TCS is providing some sort of severance support, okay, by employee category. Now what do I mean by that? Okay, so I will be giving the credits to Money Control for this particular article. Okay, they have published it, okay, from their own trusted sources from different origins, right? So employee category can be categorized into three different types, that is early retirement, skills or redundant not upskilled, and the third one is the bench, which is more than 8 months unallocated, right? So a lot of people, freshers out there, they are sitting on bench, and those people can be considered under this policy. So in that case, the notice period pay will be around 3 months. Okay, the severance pay you will not be getting anything. Additional support you will be not getting anything at all. Okay, so if you are someone who is on a bench for more than 8 months, for people who are skill redundant, right? Let me tell you guys that these are something which is between mid-level management and senior management. Okay, so people who are having 5 years of experience, 10 years of experience, or even 15 years of experience, for them the notice period is around 3 months. So that will be the pay, right? But the severance pay that they will be getting is 6 months to 2 years, wherein they will be getting the basic pay, that is the basic salary of their CTC. So in case of TCS and Infosys and Wipro, the basic pay is around 35 to 40%, right? So 35 to 40% you'll be getting depending on the experience that you have. Okay, so altogether it will be 6 months to 2 years. Okay, and some additional support also they are providing, which is mental health support, okay, in select cases. So if you are someone who is like there are a lot of dependents on you, or there are a lot of family members who you are providing food or all the things, right, to, then you can get some medical support or some like some additional help from TCS side, right? It can also include maybe loans or something of that sort. Okay, since you are an employee at TCS for a long duration, right? So other is that outplacement services also, which is greater than 3 months, right? This is also which will be provided. And for early retirement, for people who are again skill redundant, or they are not upskilling themselves, right, or the business unit is not performing, in that case also they are planning for early retirements, which is around 50 years. If you are having experience, or like your age is 50 or 55, then you might be getting an early retirement if you are opting for that, right? So here you can see that severance depends on tenure. So if you are someone who is having 10 to 15 years of experience, about 1.5 years pay you'll be getting. If it is greater than 15 years, up to 2 years of pay you'll be getting, right? So timeline of this workforce restructuring and TCS layoffs workforce transition will be August to September. Majority of the layoffs are completed. Post September, remaining unallocated employees who are on bench reviewed for RMG opportunities. And right now what is ongoing is support through outplacement and TCS cares. So you might get some kind of support from the for the placements, okay, into the different companies after your termination or the layoffs. Okay, so for people who are getting early retirement, they will be getting full retirement benefits including insurance also, which is a good thing. I feel I remember a case of a friend whose parents got around 12 plus 12 lakh rupees of insurance, okay, or I would say the medical insurance that they had provided by TCS, right? So 12 plus 12 lakhs for both of the parents. One parent actually passed away due to hemorrhage, brain hemorrhage, but the second survived and is continuing very strong, right? So these are the some of the benefits that you'll be getting even if you are going for early retirement at TCS, right? Now let us discuss, have a look at what exactly is the discussions and why 10th October is going to be very important. Okay, let us move forward. Now let us discuss about the pointers that are asked by a lot of our subscribers in the comment section, and this is particularly a discussion. So here you can see that for Indian consulting firms in particular, 2026 could be a bit challenging year due to shrinking global IT budgets and reduced spending on traditional outsourcing. And this certainly is true because what is happening in the US, they are reducing the spending on products, okay, on services, or they are not outsourcing that much amount of products that they were doing back year in, like before COVID or after COVID also, right? So the challenge ahead isn't just about cost pressures but about reinventing delivery models, a fewer people delivering more. The offshore on-site model also seems to be getting redundant with H1B changes and heavy reliance on US projects. So this is true that 50% for all IT companies, including TCS, Infosys, Wipro. So for all these companies, 50% of the projects are coming from the US, okay, the North America continent only, Canada and US, right? So that is a major reason to worry. Okay, so most employees out. So now they can get is company will directly pay to their account, or all employees send mail to company. It's just, I mean, I didn't get this particular comment. Okay, so let us move forward to next discussion topic, that is please apply the policy for civil services in the country. You can see the real change. Okay, okay, that might be true for some extent, because government jobs, okay, TCS was actually considered as a government job till 2022 or 2023. After that they started firing, and TCS, I think, is no longer a semi government or government job like people say. Okay, severance pay is only basic pay. Yes, to a certain extent only. The basic pay is paid to people who have been laid off. Okay, I will give the link to the videos in the description box of the people who were actually fired, and they came out strong and they told exactly what happened with them. Okay, so I will give the link in the description box. You can go and watch that also video, right? So here we can again have some questions, that is Milind Thakkar also lost his job. He was not retired. He was forcefully asked to step out. Okay, this can be a conspiracy theory also, but definitely he was around 58 to 59 years of like age, right? So definitely that is the time when people have to go away from the company, right? Retire, right? So I don't think that this would be a forcefully retirement, but I think it is actually a retirement, normal retirement, right? TCS has lost the respect, and its impact will be highly visible in Tata Group overall growth, right? So this is not a situation for our country's growth. TCS was the market setter, okay, for several other software companies, right? So this guy is saying that fake video, no proof of for 80K, okay, if anyone fired list, okay. So I think the time will tell definitely, right? So lots of people thought of this company as government job, sitting on the bench or refusing to take a project with lame excuses. And trust me, guys, see, if you are sitting on bench and you are not working at all, right? You are getting 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs salary, okay, every year, and you are not doing anything, then that is your fault, right? You should be able to take up some project. You should start with some project where you will be able to learn more, and your skills will be helpful for the project to grow. Okay, so this is obviously true, right? If you want to earn something, you'll have to work, right? TCS will close down less than 12 months. I don't think that there will be a possibility of TCS closing down, because TCS is a behemoth, right? Which is one of the biggest companies. Okay, so I don't think it will close down like in any time. Okay, any decade further, right? Companies have to pay dividends if they have surplus money and they don't know what to do with it. It is not mistake. I am not saying it is mistake, but investing in the future tech is equally important, right? So I think that is the reason that I was pointing out, right? So TCS is looking for non-Norwegian, Danish, and Swedish language experts. Yes, I've read about this, that they are hiring Japanese experts. They are having Norwegian, Danish, and Swedish experts also. And if you are someone who is having this kind of knowledge about the language, then you will be definitely getting a very good job and a very high package at TCS also, right? So if you have knowledge about language as well as the IT skills, right? So the reality sector will be screwed up too. Yes, definitely that is going to happen if people are losing their jobs. Okay, people will no longer be renting in these big metro cities. They will not be buying the flats or the like commercial properties, and that is going to like make a lot of people suffer, right? So please give promotion window update. Yes, definitely we will create a video on that. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that, and you will get the latest update about the promotions in our videos. So for experienced pros with high salary, okay, that is high package, it would be 6 months, and Satwa Knowledge Point is the most cheapest option that they have. Okay, okay, fine. So basic pay they do. Yes, so this is someone who is saying that yes, TCS does pays the basic pay. I know that this is going to be a long video, but trust me, guys, this is important for you to know what exactly is happening and how you can stay away from it, right? So layoffs, wrong on severance points, 3 months case. Okay, TCS, Wipro, Infosys are worst companies to work, unethical and unprofessional companies. A lot of people are facing a lot of issues because of that, right? So anyone counted how many times? Oh, okay. So this is very interesting. Okay. So anyone counted how many times he said okay and right? Yes, definitely I say okay and right a lot of times. Okay. 65,000 employees have been fired since 15th August so far. Yes. And then next important thing is that where is the video on fluidity list? Okay, we have already created a video. You can go and check out the playlist. You'll be able to find it. So here someone is saying that Sonata Software Limited is also following unfair employee practices and biased approach towards their employees. So this, if you are someone who is working at Sonata and if you are watching this video, then please let us know that whether this is true or not, right? CEO should resign now. I don't think that will be possible anytime soon, but he won't. Lol. right? 1.5 lakh employees going to lose their job in TCS. I think this is what a person is saying, right? So we will have to check that in the future. In the upcoming year, we will be able to get that. And I think that would be something which will be clear on 10th of October. Now, a lot of people will be thinking, what exactly is happening on 10th of October? So let me tell you guys that 10th of October is something on particular day when they are going to release the quarterly results, and the management will be facing the interviews, wherein the news companies and everything, they will be asking them questions straight away regarding this layoffs. What is the severance pay, why people are not getting onboarded, and what exactly is going to happen with remaining employees, right? So worst companies nowadays, nobody wants to join TCS. I think that is some kind of true. So here is an interesting comment that I got, right? So I'm an ex TCSer, and I confirm basic pay was the lowest in TCS out of the 5 IT companies I've worked for, which translates severance package, even if they pay 15 days basic salary for each completed year, will be very, very less. Besides, employees have to pay income tax as per the slab on this. For example, if your CTC is 20 lakhs and TCS experience is 6 years, you can get 15 into 6 days. That is 3 months basic salary as severance pay, which would be meager 1.8 lakhs. Except leave encashments, gratuity, and other components are taxable at your slab rate, that is 30%. Now calculate what would be in-hand severance pay. So this is definitely going to be very low. So TCS terminating employees and buying new offices for whom? Yes, I recently created a video on that particular topic. You can go and check out this basically thread. Okay, a lot of people are discussing what exactly is happening. Okay, so now with this, I would like to just request you all, if you're someone who is working in the company, if your friend or if your colleague or if someone from your team has been fired or laid off, please let us know in the comment section so that other people can be aware what are the things that you should do in order to stay at the good company, and what are the things that you should avoid so that you don't get laid off from the company. Okay, so with this, I would like to end our today's video. Do let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because that is going to be very important. And thank you so much for watching this entire video, guys. Hope that this video was helpful. Let us create one more video on 10th of October. I will provide all the updates to all of you guys, what exactly is happening, what is going to be future of the company, and what is going to be the future of layoffs at TCS. With this, I'm going to end this video. Thank you and have a great day and a great weekend.